Hi everyone, this is our Singapore road trip episode 12. We just climbed the Bukit Timah hill, which is the tallest hill in Singapore. And if you haven't seen that video, click the iCard for that video. Okay, now we have come down to the base and now we are going to find some good breakfast. So where we are going today is we came to the Rail Mall, which is located very close to the Bukit Timah Natural Reserve. In this video, you will see our awesome breakfast at the Rail Mall and our visit to the nearby abandoned Bukit Timah Old Railway Station. Okay guys, this is going to be a very interesting video. I hope you will watch this video fully and please do give me your comments so that I could improve my future videos. This rail mall is located just 2 km from the Bukit Timah hill and 800 meters from the Hillview MRT station, so it is easily accessible. Unlike the usual mall, this mall is quite unique because it is a stretch of shop houses filled with eateries. A variety of popular food places and some hidden gems are located in this rail mall, from banana leaf to Prata shop to chicken rice, toast boxes, Subway, Western. You will have a wide variety of food choices in this railway mall. They do also have a bank. If you are watching my video and you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to watch my previous episodes. Another main attraction to this rail mall is this life-size wall painting, which is very realistic and very popular with the visitors. These wall paintings are so realistic, and how can you leave this place without taking some photos? You can also check out my Instagram for more photos from this episode. We are real strangers to this part of Singapore and we happened to find this place because of this one restaurant, Springleaf Prata place. This restaurant is really a hidden gem. One glance from the out looks so humble, but the moment you step in, you would know this is not a normal Indian restaurant. The traditional and favorite food, Roti Prata, Roti Chennai or Parotta, however you can call it, have gone through so many levels of modernization in this restaurant. They have been coming out with unique flavors for the past 8 years since 2012. Have you tried all of them? Another cool stuff which we noticed is the cutlery section where they have unlimited curry flow. You can top up your curry if you need more. You don't have to feel shy to ask for more. Okay, what we have ordered is, this is Roti Prata with egg inside. Locally they call as Roti Tilor. Tilor means egg. And a plate of mutton. And ghee dosai. Dosai with a flavor of ghee, which is an extract from cow's milk, a buttery taste. And this is my pepper roast in the shape of the Bukit Timah hill. The pepper roast was so crispy, I could literally break it and eat like a chips. Actually, pepper roast is not my favorite. I just ordered it for the purpose of this video. And this is egg dosai, egg inside the dosai. The egg is not evenly spread and the black pepper is missing, but it was still filling. The price is quite reasonable. Definitely, we will come one more time to try the lunch items. Initially, we only planned to take some photos at the abandoned railway track, but since this overhead railway bridge is closed, we got a chance to visit the old Bukit Timah abandoned railway station. Along the way, we happened to pass by this former Ford factory, and a separate episode is needed for this because of its rich content inside. The Bukit Timah railway station is easily accessible from King Albert Park MRT station, and if you are driving, you can park your vehicle at the Sime Derby Center opposite the King Albert MRT station. Check out the description for the location. This road over here leads to the old Bukit Timah railway station. Some construction works are going on to turn this part into a green rail corridor. The old railway quarters and the station master's house is having a facelift, expected to be completed by mid of next year. You are now looking at the old Bukit Timah railway station. This is the old Bukit Timah station with a history dating back to 1903, and it was closed in 2011 after 108 years in operation. This is how the station used to be while it was in operation, and now is the condition of it. This place is popular with hikers and joggers. This is one of the few places in Singapore where you have access to railway tracks, and that too to an abandoned old railway track. This place is unique. A peek into the railway station, you could still see the manual hand signal levers. Bukit Timah railway station was a railway station and crossing loop in Singapore owned by Kereta Api Tanah Melayu KTM, the main railway operator in Malaysia. It started operation in 1903 and it was rebuilt in 1932, and it was in operation for 88 years until 2011, in which it ceased operation along with Tanjong Paha railway station. The station is built in the style of traditional small town stations. Workers of the railways constituted of mainly Tamils and Malays from Malaysia and were given much work privileges, which include free medical facilities for themselves and their families. The station served as a commodities transport linkage for the then heavily industrialized Bukit Timah to other stations, allowing goods to be produced and transported efficiently. This station was between Tanjong Paha railway station at the southern end of Singapore Island and Woodlands train checkpoint at the northern end. It was a crossing loop station and signalling control house. You can now see the tracks being covered and new roads laid on it where tracks run into the city. The other side is a lush green jungle which makes you feel in another world, especially if you're making an early morning trip. It is worth a visit. It's a good trail walk and you have access to the nature. The part over here is rich in flora and fauna. If you are interested in wildlife photography, this is your place. Works are going on to enhance the green rail corridor experience. Expected to complete by mid of next year, you could look forward for a much better experience in the green rail corridor.
Regular tradition.
Works are being carried on to revamp the old railway staff quarters along with the station master's house, and other recreational activities like a restaurant is planned. I hope you liked this episode of mine. Feel free to like and give your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out my future videos. See you next time in my next episode. Bye for now.